We've got this amazing house that are just steps to right here to all this amazingness. It's a 3-bed, 3 full bath. You've got to check out that master bath. Didn't you check it out? And I got wet. Hey there, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So this amazing 3-bed, 3-bath house is just steps from all of this beauty.
It's amazing.
What do you think about it?
One thing that I love the most about it is the alleyway access. You have extra parking in the front and the back. It has a double garage.
Oh my goodness, the double garage. They have the original single. You could convert that into extra vacation space, add a bunk room, add whatever. It could be a single family home. This could be a second bed, whatever you need, and it's so close. All of the living space is downstairs, and you can spread out with that open living, and you've got the bedrooms upstairs. It's perfect for a family or a vacation.
One of my favorite things about it, too, is it was a home. A family actually raised their children in it. It was not a vacation rental. And when you go there, you can feel that. From the fruit trees in the front, from just all the little detail they put onto it, you can tell it was a home and it showed a lot of love.
And you know what's extra special with that is the yard. There's actually so much yard space, and you don't find that out on the West End very often.
No.
So much yard space for the kids or that outdoor vacationing and that quintessential Florida living. So if you want more information about this, don't forget, look in the description below. You've got the MLS listing, and you can find all of the extra details. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com, ring that bell for future videos.